So that was the rest of that kitchen job all done. I didn't film myself doing the walls, to be honest. It wasn't a lot of room in there and the lighting wasn't great, so I just thought I'd get it done and show you it for those that had watched the previous day's one with the ceiling in it. It's Friday morning now and I'm lovely and local, and I've got to go and put a handrail up on the staircase. Something I've never really done before, if I'm honest. I've taken them off and put them back when I've been plastering and things, but I've never installed one from start to finish. So we'll go and have a look at it, and I'll see you there in about 5 minutes. Isn't it lovely? 5 minutes. Not a bad garden, is it? Look at that. Absolutely beautiful. Right, that weren't so bad. I got in there at about 8:30 this morning. It's just gone midday now. 3.5 hours from start to finish, that one. And yeah, come out well. It was really strong actually. I was swinging on it and pulling myself up and down. So that should be fine for the customer there. Anyway, 2 more jobs to look at today. One of them is for a fella that literally lives next door, and he runs like a charity of are they almshouses or them sort of dwellings, and I think he wants me to do a load of maintenance there over the summer. So let's give him a call and see what's going on. But if I don't speak to you guys, I hate saying guys, why did I say that? If I don't speak to you all before Monday, have a lovely weekend. Thanks for any new subscribers. Really, really appreciate you taking the time to subscribe. And hopefully the content is keeping you entertained enough without it being too boring. I don't like to do the same thing, you know. I don't want to just talk about PVA or SPR every video. I like to try and keep it a bit different, a little bit of entertainment. But if you're enjoying it, give us a thumbs up, and have a lovely weekend, and I'll see you all next week.